Hi, welcome to DT Translation. My name is Manuela and I will show you how you translate on contest day. We go on the contest platform and log in with the username and the password. They were attributed to each student when they were registered by their teacher. The teacher received an email including this data after registration, or he can also find it on the Overview of Participants page. We strongly recommend that participants test their access to the contest platform ahead of contest day just to verify that everything works. They won't see any text to translate until the day and the time of the contest. On contest day, the students log in with the username and password. So then, the text to translate in their chosen language will appear here in the left frame. They should type their translation into the right frame. During the translation, the participants should save their translation regularly by clicking the Save Your Translation button here at the bottom. When they have finished their translation, they should click here the Submit Final Translation button. When they have finished their translation, they can open a PDF and print their translation. If for some reasons the school is unable to submit translations, just write an email to the Juvenes Translatores team via email. You can find our email address on our contest platform.